Deputy Speaker kayang darbar tawan gajelau Timothy Dishira hne kesengi balang ulah Mudui da kemud mukotduma mynrain khmat. Defamation case persya ya arngut kibreu ba keno ayu ba ulang persya ya kejing Dawa penkha ya ke winter capital Haduh West Garo Hills langba ke rensan social media. Ya gene ke mukotduma Deputy Speaker ulah Dawa na gene kinong pentok bria ba kidai ban siwa kejing penjak buram kaba shispa klur. Kabalong baro ar spa klur. Kini ki arngut ki basa Mudui mukotduma kidai kami kanci ar sangma bat ubal serang marak. Ya kani ke mukotduma la Mudui haki kaseri u Chief Judicial Magistrate Shillong. U nonge saj anjong usira ulaong. Ba menta kesengi ke la Mudui ya arteli ki mukotduma kawai kadai ke defamation case bat kawai kadai ke criminal defamation. Hagane ke criminal defamation lada kimla ban pensisya gicing keno kila ban sak pensitam katkom ki an kambaman bat kila Mudui ru ya ke mukotduma ba Dawa bai mynrain khmat ba shispa klur na baro arngot kane kalong namar ba kila batai bakla ya ke ai ke ba Deputy Speaker ulah keren hapo ke yang dorbar.
So file a defamation suit for claiming a damage of 100 crores from each of them. And this is because they have wrongly interpreted what my client, the Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the Assembly. One of the accused person or the defendant is from Assam, who has nothing to do with Meghalaya. She has interpreted the statement given or the speech what he has spoken in the Assembly in a different manner, and that has defamed my client in his constituency, in the Garo Hills area and in the entire Meghalaya. For that, he is aggrieved with the action of these two people. That is why he has approached this Honorable Court today by filing these two defamation cases.
What is to
explain
a little more on the background of these two individuals?
See, what my client, Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the Assembly, against that they have made a video whereby certain allegation was made against of him. This allegation against my client, as per his understanding, was wrong, whatever they have interpreted. And now, since the matter is sub judice before this Honorable Court, it will not be wise for us to give more details than this. Thank you so much.
No, these two individuals.
Oh, one is the YouTuber and one is just mere social media user.
YouTuber is from where?
It's from Garo Hills.
One is from Assam.
One is from Assam and one is from Garo Hills.
Can you give the correct name of this?
Yeah, one is Mikanchi Arsangma, another one is Balsrang Mara. Mikanchi Arsangma is from Garo Hills, Gwalpara district, and the other one is from North Garo Hills. Thank you so much.
They are he or she?
One is he and one is she. Come, sir.